Hey Gearheads, and welcome to Garage Talk. I'm Corey, and that is a new Toyota Sienna. We've been out on the market for a while, but this is Family Vehicle Central over here. We've got several Siennas to check out because I am at the 2023 North Texas Auto Show in downtown Dallas. In this video, we're going to take you on a quick tour of 3 different Sienna models. All right, Gearheads, like I said, I am at the North Texas Auto Show, and we've got a few Toyota Siennas. You can see one back there and one right here to check out because we are, like I said, in a family central zone over here with all the different family rigs. So I do want to talk about, while I've got the hood open on this one, the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder under the hood. And yes, your eyes do not deceive you. Orange cables mean this is a hybrid. All Siennas are now hybrids. We actually had the platinum trim on our channel not that long ago, and Tucker absolutely loved it. We watched Bluey in the back of it from the fold down screen. But the big news, being that these are all hybrids, is the fuel economy. This one is an all-wheel drive version, so you've got an electric motor back on the back wheels powering that back axle, which means 35 city, 36 highway, 35 combined on this one. That is just impressive for a family vehicle that cost $55,777. So very good practicality with your fuel savings there. If you've got a phone handy and you want to scan that QR code and learn more, there you go, a little cheat sheet there. But you can see this one is the limited trim. It is a rather nice trim. I'm going to leave the hood up on it because we have that silver one back there and this XSE over here in red as well. But you can see a very nice, cleaned up, updated styling, borrowing heavy from other brands in the family. So think the Highlander, which we actually have right next to us right here. You can see that line on the back door going to the hips. You can see that is repeated here on the Sienna as well. And that is also borrowed from the Supra sports car. So very nice family styling there, bringing that design full circle, putting it here in the Sienna. Really like that. But being a minivan, you know, practicality is key, and we have tons of space down here, and then the seats fold down very easily. You can see you just pull handle number 1 and everything folds down into place. It is literally just that simple. So like that, now we have a ton of storage spots on a very flat load floor back here. You can see Tucker's already checking this one out. He really likes it, but very easy to flip and fold those seats down in the bottom. And then when we put those seats back up, you can see we do also have this lever here to recline. So they do recline a lot. You can see the front seats, or the middle row seats, are very far back in the back of this one because they do have the super slide functionality on them. So you can see these tracks in the floor just by Tucker's head. They go very far forward and very far backward. So you can have just an absolute ton of space in this. So if you wanted to fold those seats down back there and have a very roomy 4-seater, you absolutely could. You can see Tucker is absolutely loving this one. And like I said, we watched Bluey on the back of in the back of ours when we had it, because we slid the seats back just like that and put that fold down the center screen down. You can see we do have a very nice tan leather interior in this one, and this is perhaps my favorite spot of all. Being the dad, being the person who's going to be piloting this on road trips most in our family, I absolutely love the feeling of being in a spaceship, piloting a spaceship. So you get this bridge center console with massive amounts of storage underneath, and this tray that runs the entire width of the front of the vehicle. You've got your Qi wireless charger there. You do have your USB hookup over there. 2 cup holders here, 2 more cup holders there. So 4 cup holders just in the front alone. You can see here we've got a very nice center console. USB-A, USB-C here, USB-A and USB-C back there for backseat occupants. That folds down and still leaves you a spot for your armrests, so you can get into the center console without disturbing anybody. I like that a whole lot. And then you can see two-tone kind of cream and tan materials here on the side. Very nice in the back seat. You can see Tucker really liked on the model that we had, being the top trim platinum. This one has it as well in the limited, the kick to open doors. So right here where you see this logo, you can come and kick your foot and the power sliding door will operate. Fortunately, being at the auto show, it's not going to happen on this one. It is shut down so as to not drain the battery while we're here, but a very practical vehicle all the way around. And then you can see this one is the XSE trim. It is the more sporty trim, so it's got a little bit different face, a little more athletic look to it. And then you get these large black wheels like that a whole lot. This one over here, you can see this one is a front wheel drive model, so we get 36 mpg across the board. No electronic all-wheel drive on this one, but yeah, still a very nice look. I like the XSE quite a bit. Very nice, very similar interior, although on this one we do have a gray interior and it is a two-tone. I'm actually going to come around to the side, open up this sliding door and show you that center seat. You can see we've got the power sliding door, but look at the two-tone on this one. I like the interior on this one a whole lot better, especially when you get to that back seat back there. You can see that middle seat is all the dark color. So I love it when brands give you different looks, different colors on their vehicles. Moving inside this XSE, you can see, again, we do have the super slide seats here on the second row, but we've got recline. And then if I can find it, yeah, way down here, the super slide function. So we can go all the way up or all the way back. And I've got so much room back in the back of this one, but we'll bring it to a reasonable distance here. You can see lots of room back here in the back. Pull this door shut and you can see we've got sunshades. I absolutely love manual sunshades in minivans, in family vehicles, and you can see there is a little bit of uncovered space back here, but I absolutely love sunshades in family vehicles. And the minivan is like the ultimate family vehicle. Oh no, did I lock myself in? I'm stuck. Somebody help me. So yes, there we have that. And then moving back to the back, I'm gonna go ahead and climb in back here. We've got the passenger side folded, but you can see sitting behind myself, my knees are not under my chin. I've got plenty of room here, but again, it's a negotiation with those super slide seats. Plenty of room back in the back. USB-A, USB-C, a couple cup holders over there, only one cup holder and no power outlet over here on the driver's side, but a very nice back seat. This one doesn't have the sunshades in the back, but top trims do. Very nice all-around seating here in the Toyota Sienna. And then you get a little bit different look here on the materials for the center console. No Qi wireless charger on this XSE trim as this one is spec'd, but definitely a cooler, nicer looking interior if you ask me. This one does appeal to me just a little bit more. I liked the features on the limited, but again, I'm sure this is the same QR code as before. If you want to check that out, this one is significantly less at $46,417. And then lastly, we've got the silver one back here. Let's see what makes this one different. All of these models start at $35,385, so you can get an affordable one. Very nice. This one is an XLE, so this is more the mainstream, $44,762. You can see they've all got a slightly different face, different character, different personality to the entire vehicle. So here we've got just the more mainstream face on this one, not an all-wheel drive. So again, 36 mpg across the board. Different interior on this one as well. A little more tame, a little more down to earth, a little more utilitarian, I guess. No Qi wireless charger in this one either. A little bit different look on the materials on the center console. This one also has the kick to open sliding doors, and they are power, but this one has the bench seat in the middle. You can actually remove this, so you can see you can fold, pull that there and pull this right there, and you can actually remove that center seat. So you actually have a couple of captain's chairs or a bench seat. Very nice, very usable. And then again, tons of storage back here in the back, and very easy to flip and fold these into place and get them exactly where you want them. So very nice usability, functionality here in the Toyota Sienna. Again, we had the Platinum trim on the channel. We did a full family review, full solo review, if you want to go check those out. Those are only on YouTube if you happen to be watching this on Facebook, but that is a quick look of 3 different models of Toyota's ultimate family people stuff hauler in the Toyota Sienna. 36 mpg is nothing to sneeze at. Very affordable, starting price of $35,000. If you want to check these out or anything else at the Toyota booth and are in the North Texas area, come on down to K. Bailey Hutchinson Convention Center and check out the North Texas Auto Show. If you want to see more from us and what we're doing, find us on all social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube. Everything is at GT Garage Talk, or you can head to gtgaragetalk.com. If you want to see more stuff from us in your notifications, hit all the buttons down below: like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, all the things to let the algorithm know to show you more stuff from us. But as for me, from the family zone of the Toyota booth at the North Texas Auto Show, until next time, gearheads, bye.